folks, it's Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah. Positive energy, it works. And today, we're going to talk about chakras. So what the heck is a chakra? All right, good question. We're all pretty familiar with our human digestive system, where we consume something, we'll chew it up, we swallow it, the stomach, starts to send out the juices and it digests the food and sends the nutrients out to our physical body, and then we excrete the waste, right? Pretty straightforward, we all have heard that story. Well, we also have energetic needs, life force, prana. So our energy centers, which are known as chakras. Our chakras are just pretty much like our physical digestive system, except that they bring in life force or prana, they digest it, they send the energetic nutrients out to our energetic bodies, and then they are responsible for eliminating any of the waste. Pretty straightforward, right? Like your physical body, if you're blocked for a little while, it's not a big deal. It might be a little uncomfortable, but it's no big deal. A couple days, it's going to be a little more uncomfortable. But it doesn't really become a problem until things are just like completely blocked. And if that happens, well, then you probably do need to look for an energy worker or some way to relieve that blockage, okay? Don't worry too much about that. We tend to have systems in place that balance us out. So it's usually not much of an issue. Sometimes our chakras are a little undeveloped in certain areas, but to have a full-blown blockage is a little unusual. So let's just talk a little bit more about the 7 major chakras. We'll start with the root chakra, and that's going to be located at the base of your spine. And it represents our foundations and feelings about being grounded, okay? It's a survival chakra. Its emotional issues are around survival issues such as money, food, shelter, financial independence. It's the first chakra to develop as you're born, and it's an important one. And if it's undeveloped, it can serve for some issues throughout your life. So you definitely want to have a good, strong base or root chakra. By the way, the root chakra is associated with the color or frequency of red. The next one would be your sacral chakra, and that's going to be located about 2 inches below your belly button, kind of where a woman's womb might be. The sacral chakra is identified with the frequency and color of orange, and it is our connection and our ability to accept others and new experiences. It kind of helps us see where we are in the world and that it's not just all about us. The emotional issues around are for a sense of abundance, well-being, pleasure, and sexuality. So if you're having issues in that area, then that might suggest that you want to work with that chakra and make sure that it's functioning properly and that it's properly developed. So the next chakra we want to talk about is our heart chakra. Everybody knows about the heart chakra, and it's going to be located right about the center of your chest, right here. And the color frequencies that are most associated with it are green or possibly pink, which is also the color of unconditional love. It is our ability to love ourselves, to love others, to be in love, and to love our planet and nature. So clearly this is an important chakra. It's also where we find our joy and our inner peace. So we definitely want our heart chakra to be, functioning properly. The throat chakra, this is going to be located right in your throat, right? It's about communication and self-expression for the feelings of truth, okay? How we speak our truth. You want to make sure that you have a healthy, well-functioning throat chakra so that you're able to speak your truth, but speak it with ease and with grace. Our third eye chakra is going to be located right here, and a lot of people feel it's really actually our pineal gland. I happen to agree with that, but you can think of it being located right here. And it is usually an indigo blue frequency color. And this is our ability to see the big picture. Also to be able to see things psychically. It's our intuition, it's the seat of our imagination, wisdom, and our ability to think and make decisions is located there also. The next one would be our crown chakra. This is going to be located right on the top of your head. It's our highest chakra on the physical body. And it's representing our ability to be fully connected spiritually. Our emotional issues around that are inner and outer beauty, our connection to, God, to the divine, and bliss. All right. If you think that one of your chakras might be blocked, but you're not sure which one of the first things that I do is, well, what areas of your life are you having trouble with? Are you feeling like you can't speak your truth? Probably your throat chakra. Are you having a lot of anxiety? You're probably not grounded, and you probably don't have a lot of self-worth. So, you would use the appropriate stones and colors to develop that. You might try some affirmations. If it's really severe, it's been going on for a long time, then you probably want to see an energy worker and test out your theory, and then let them clear those blockages for you. But in any case, chakras don't have to be anything more than just your energy centers. You just want to keep your energy centers flowing freely. So folks, I hope that answers your basic questions about what chakras are. Trust me, you could spend a couple of lifetimes studying chakras and still just barely scratch the surface. But that's basically what a chakra is. It's one of your energy centers. It's your digestive system for your energetic body. This is Susan at The Rock Shop. Hey, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe because that really helps the channel grow. And as always, namaste.